Hello folks. Welcome back to the channel. We're so glad you're here. In this video I'm going to be talking to you about 5 different work from home jobs that are super easy and can lead to you earning a very nice income from home, even if you are a complete beginner. If you're stuck in the 9 to 5 rat race and want to break free, then you have to change your mindset. We, as a society, have been trained to go to school, get a good education, then get a good job, then to save all your life, and then retire. If you're like me, you feel like there has to be more than just that. I wanted to earn a very high income, to be self-employed, and to be in control of my own destiny and future. I wanted to have the freedom to work when and where I wanted to. I had to change my way of thinking about myself, how valuable my time is, how I thought about money, etc. I knew that I must take my future into my own hands. So let's get right into 5 different ways that can help you reach that goal. Number 1. Opinion surveys. I know you're thinking, these companies only pay you so little it's not worth my time. Then check out sites like responder.io, or like userinterviews.com or even usertesting.com that will pay you good money just for giving your opinion. You already give your opinion on different things to your family, friends, and so on. Why not do the same thing and get paid for it? These companies want to make money and don't want to put out products or services that will not make them any. That's why they are willing to pay you for your opinion. Then they know what demographic to push products to and if it's likely to make money or not. And that's where you come in. Check out these sites, create your account and sign up. Then you can start earning money for just trying stuff out and giving your opinion on them. It's one of my favorite ways to earn online and can be done from your smartphone or desktop. Number 2. eBay arbitrage. This is very simple to do and can be done from basically anywhere. What you do is you find products from like wall-mart.com that are selling for a higher price on eBay, then use stock picks to list those same items on eBay yourself. Once the item sells, then you use the payment from that sell to purchase the item on wall-mart.com or whatever and have the item shipped right to your buyer from eBay. And then you pocket the profit. Be sure to find products that sell pretty well and that the company you'll be buying from has plenty of them in stock. Otherwise, you'll be giving refunds to your customers from eBay and we don't want that. Number 3. Freelance writing on Upwork. If you're good at writing and know how to put things together that read well and are good quality, you can make a very significant monthly income doing freelance writing on Upwork.com. You go on their website, follow the process to get set up and apply, then you can start landing writing gigs and making money. Scripts, articles, blogs, the list goes on and on. I know someone who does this and they make like $100 per hour and over $200,000 per year, and that's all they do. They are able to travel around the world with their family and get to experience things that a lot of folks don't. And they started out just like you can, one step at a time, building up their customer base, one brick at a time. Of course, you won't start out making that and it will take time to build up your portfolio and rate, but would definitely be well worth it. Number 4. eBay direct sales. Have you ever gone on eBay and bought something? I think we all have at some point, and most likely you purchased that item from an individual private seller, a person just like you. If you have extra stuff lying around and want to sell it to make extra money, eBay is a great way to do it. Also, you can even source your items in bulk to sell. Some folks visit thrift stores, bargain bin stores, yard sales, etc. to find great items to sell on eBay. I've done this for years, and let me tell you, it can be very, very lucrative. Over time, I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars from doing this exact same thing. You can build up a very serious customer base, and even have an eBay store that your customers can return to at any time and purchase items from you. That is serious money. Be sure to take great pics, write good descriptions with the item's exact condition listed, and ship the item as soon as you can, same day if possible. Take care of your customer, be honest in your dealings and listings, ship items out fast and you will grow over time. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. I think this is the best work at home job and the one I've made the most money from. This is where you join an affiliate program from a company like Amazon, Walmart, Shopify, etc. And then post links to their products on your website, social media pages, blog posts or wherever your audience happens to be watching or reading, and then every time someone buys something using your affiliate link, you get paid. You can make very serious money doing this, and it can allow you the freedom to do what you want to in life. I've known of many millionaires that made their money with affiliate marketing. And if they can, you can too. Don't think it's oversaturated and you can't make anything because of that. It's predicted that affiliate marketing will hit a staggering $6.8 billion, yes, that's billion with a B, in sales by the end of 2023. That's a huge amount of money and you can be part of it. Do your research, find the best programs to join and awesome products to promote, post your links and start earning money every time someone buys a product using your link. Pretty simple concept. Click on the other video popping up here to see more money-making ideas, tips, and tricks to put more cash in your pocket. Be sure to hit the like button for this video, subscribe to my channel, and tap the bell to be notified when I release new content. It was a pleasure spending time with you today. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. So long for now.